Hello, I'm gonna make some instant noodles today. So I highly recommend this Badboy noodle. Hot chicken flavor ramen. This Badboy will give you the best pooping action tomorrow. I guarantee you at 9:30 a.m. tomorrow, you'll be in the toilet and having the time of your life. So over here I got a pot of water boiling. I mean, it's not boiling. I'm trying to bring it to boil. Start with water, just water, because instant noodles. What else do you need? You just need hot water. So in an ideal world, I will eat instant noodle plain. But then you gotta remember, wealth is health. You gotta eat it with, vegetables and also dumplings, which I will bring out in a bit. But first, let me go through all the random things that I'm gonna put into my instant noodles. First, it's the Badboy spring onion, my fave, and then some everyone's favorite, some coriander. Why would you not like coriander in your noodles? Ideally you want to put some choy some, if you can get choy some. If you can't get choy some, you can get the alternative, which is tenderstem broccoli. But then my mom said to me, you gotta stay healthy, boy, you gotta eat your greens. So the more variety the better it is. So I'm gonna add both of them with those Badboy coriander. The next thing is you gotta add some kimchi. Why not? You're eating Korean instant noodles, you gotta add some kimchi in it. Okay, let me get my oh, I forgot something very important. Please don't mind my messy kitchen, because it's just like my life, it's a mess. Anyway, let me get my garlic out. So I've got some garlic here. So whether to add garlic to your noodles depends on two conditions. First is whether you like garlic, that's one, or whether you're kissing someone tonight. In my situation, clearly I am not kissing anyone tonight, so that I won't miss out on this Badboy delicious garlic. So just simply crush it, break it up, break that Badboy up while your water boil on the side. This is like your little boy, your child. You have to take care of it. And then now chop your garlic. So if you have a cleaver, what you can do is you just smash that Badboy, smash it, boom, and then give it a rough chop. Boom, Badboy. Tell you what, and then just put it into your Badboy bowl. Okay, my workstation is a mess at the moment, but whatever. Same thing to the second garlic. You just have to smash it. Oh yeah, Badboy. Oh, then give it a rough chop. Boom. Problem solved, Badboy. Now, what's next? You got your garlic in. Got to chop up your spring onion. So first thing is you got to remove your roots. Then problem solved. In an ideal world, you're just gonna start chopping it. Just chopping it finely, so you can just add it into your noodles. What I like to do is I add the end bits first, so I can add the when I put the hot noodles on it, it will slightly cook a little bit. But the rest, they are gonna go at the end. First, let me chop my choy some. So what I do is I split it into 3 different bits. Is that what I call it? I don't know. So I just slice into 3 portions, 3 tiny segments. Same thing with your tenderstem broccoli. Just 3 portions. So you want to add your vegetables about in the last 2 minutes. So according to this packet, don't know where it is. It says 5 minutes to cook. So roughly the last 2 minutes, you just pop it in. And then coriander. Yeah, this goes right at the end of your cooking of your noodles. Starting to boil. Let me get out my Badboy dumplings. In my freezer, I have a selection of dumplings. These are not dumplings, these are coffee beans. And I highly recommend this Badboy kimchi and chicken dumplings. I mean, This is delicious. And I'm a fat boy, so I'm gonna add quite a few. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. Yeah, why not? 5 dumplings. Now, let it boil. Ah, crap. Let it boil. Let it boil, let it boil. And then bring it up to a boil, and then you add the noodles. In the meantime, you can prep your sauce on the side. Ooh. Here we go, here we go. This goes at the end. This is a garnish, seaweed and sesame. Over here I have a hard boiled egg, so I'm gonna add it into my noodle as well, but it's gonna be at the end of the noodle. So for now I'm just gonna crack it open. I mean crack the shells, not gonna open it yet. Yeah, I'll give this bad boy a shake so it doesn't stick. And then you can add your noodles now. Yep, you can add your noodles now. Ooh, don't waste any bits. Whoa! Use your cleaver and then you'll push it in. Time it 5 minutes ish. Over here I got 4, so 09 I will put it. It'll be ready to eat. Don't forget the last 2 minutes you got to add your vegetables. So remember your timing. Ooh, little egg, I forgot about you. So crack open the shells. Now, you know, it's never too late to start cracking the shells. Ooh. Look at those noodles. Can't wait to eat them. Anyway. Oh. 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 Give it a wash, clearly. You don't want to eat shells, unless you like shells, then go for it. Oh. Keep it down. Don't want to spill your whatever thing, whatever soup. Well, you're not using soup, it's a dry instant noodle. You've got to drain it later. Ooh, look at those bad boy eggs. Delicious. And yeah. I think you can add your vegetables now. I know it's not actually last 2 minutes, but it'll be fine. Whoop, whoop. So you just have to, you know, push it in with your cleaver. You know, why not? It's multi-purpose. And then now you gotta chop up your spring onion. I know it's a lot of spring onion, but I like spring onion. And why not? Chop that bad boy. Come on, let's go. Oh wait, crap, wrong sequence. This is supposed to go when you're supposed to top it on your noodles, not whatever. I give up. And then now your coriander. So the stem bit, you know, chop it really finely. And then at your leaf bit, the leafy bit, you chop it more roughly. So get some of those bad boy coriander flavor. Love it. Wash your hands, you know, gotta keep your hands clean. Oh. Same thing, use your cleaver, you know, give it a, you know, push. You wanna make sure your vegetable cook well. And then, you know, just wait for it to cook. I said 04, isn't it? I think 07 is fine. I don't believe in cooking my noodles too long. Get your chopstick, you know, give it a stir. Stir those bad boy. Break them up. Look at those bad boy noodles. Okay, give it now a minute, and then you can start eating those noodles. Oh, my phone ran out of bat. It's okay. Oh, can't can't believe I just smelled some kimchi. Okay, can't be bothered now. So you drain your noodles, get your sieve, literally just boom, boom. Okay. Drain the water away and then just pop everything in. Pop everything in. Then give that bad boy a stir. I left one piece of vegetable. Give everything a stir. Stir that bad boy. Whoa. Whoa, look at those sauce. Can't wait to eat them. Ooh. Delicious. Oh, can't wait. Oh. Okay. It's a mess, but who cares? And then get everything else. Pop it in. That's a lot of coriander. Your eggs. And then some bad boy kimchi. Why not? Boom. Ooh. Get some of those kimchi brine as well. It's delicious. And now, don't forget the bad boy garnishes. Ooh. Okay, wash your hands, you know, ideally 20 seconds, but I'm just gonna do it 5 seconds. Whew. Okay, got my noodles. Ooh, that's a lot of coriander. But anyway, the best way to eat it is to eat it with kimchi. Some choy, some bad boy. Dumpling. Delicious. Bye bye.